Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Brandon with Carfleet here with another Bronco video. And first, right off the bat here, we got new battery tray. Super nice, off of Amazon. And the best thing is they sent me two. They sent me one by accident. They were so tight together, I think they thought they sent one, but they actually sent two. So I paid 40 bucks US for the one and got two, so that's good, a little extra. But there's lots to do. I really want to get this thing fired up, so stay tuned. So guys, I got three things here that I'm thinking are going to help just at least diagnose what's going on. So first thing, we got ourselves a new starter solenoid. Now, all these parts are just to help fire this sucker up. I'm not exactly sure what's going on, but for a decent price, you can get all of this stuff that now I know everything works. This seems to be the biggest issue, so I'm hoping it's this. Our ignition module, I believe this is. Yeah, I got all this stuff here, so we are going to go ahead and install it. We're going to start with the easiest one here. Is this guy here. I know in my videos I don't tend to show actually what I'm doing, but somebody said they would like to see the whole build, so I'm going to try my best without taking away lots of time to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. So this one should be pretty simple. We're just gonna unplug it, plug, unplug, and out. This is the Motocraft. It's seen better days, that's for sure. It ain't pretty. So that could possibly be the issue right there. It could be that simple. Let's just go ahead and plug this guy in. So this guy goes to this guy. Now it actually clips in too, so that's a good start. And then this guy goes up here. There you go. So that's plugged in. That is our new module box. So that's simple. Now we come over here and we're going to be plugging in our new box. So here are the old ones. They're both pretty garbage, I'd say. So that's two things out of the way. Now we're gonna grab it and plug it in. Grab our new guy right here. All we gotta do with this is just plug it straight in. So there it is. It is in. Just like that. We got our little relay. Should be up on the wall there. So I'm just gonna mount it here real quick, just lightly. All right, so it's mounted up there. It is plugged in. We're missing one wire. I'm not sure what that's for. If you guys know, feel free to let me know. There we go. Now we're gonna be unbolting this guy, taking all these connections off and redoing them. So be throwing them right back on the way they come off. But the new box, we got the new starter solenoid all wired up. I cleaned all the wiring, scuffed it all. New module. Gas right in there. Gas is hooked up straight to the pump. Battery should be charged. It is officially time to fire it up. Can it start? Will it start? Is the question. You guys are gonna be with me if it fires. If not, we're gonna be sad. But it's a good spot to start there. Now, if it doesn't fire now, I'm thinking more distributor or something. Still nothing. At this point, don't have much of a clue. I'm thinking something in here now. Also, I bought a new coil. So that is on its way. It could simply be a ground somewhere. I honestly don't know. But I tried replacing three things, still doesn't fire. So we can get a little taste of what it isn't now, which is good. It feels like it wants to. It's cranking really healthy, at least. All right, guys, so this is the old ground. Now, if you look closely, it's all white, corroded on the inside. So I got a new ground cable, new terminals on both ends. Now this is a super nice end now, so maybe that was it. I doubt it, but let's give it a shot. We're gonna button it all back up, get our power back to the vehicle, and then try and start it. Guys, I just tried to fire it up. Still It does sound like it's cranking a lot better now, like it's cranking faster. I think that negative cable is on its way out, so that's good. But still no firing yet. So I'm just gonna have to keep doing research, guys. You know this type of stuff goes. Frustrating, but away she goes. Amazon just dropped off my ignition coil, so we're going to try this as well. Looks pretty good, brand new. See how it goes. Once again, tried the new coil as well. Still doesn't want to go. I'm thinking it's a ground or something. I don't know. I have lots of different things it could be, obviously. I don't know. We'll just keep plugging away, see if we can get it to fire. Oh my God. I am so excited. So I'm going to play the clip of the first time the Bronco has ran in my possession ever right now. Ready? She's an animal! She's alive! Albert! He did it! It ran. And now I'm gonna show you guys exactly what was wrong. So, I replaced this, one of the cables, the alternator, the ignition coil, module, placed everything to do with ignition. And here is the issue right here. Cut wire going into the module. This is the power wire. So Albert figured this all out. My buddy Albert's huge clutch play by Albert. He's an electrician. He grabbed the multimeter. He realized we had power going to the box but not coming out. Then he counted these wires and we're missing one and it's down there. Boom. He put this to the battery. I cranked it on the inside, fired up instantly. Super healthy sound. Sounded really good. I could not be happier with the engine right now. So Albert is coming back right now. It is 9 at night. Albert is coming back to wire up the Bronco. So he's gonna run that somewhere, I don't know, and then he's gonna make some grounds for us. I bought all the stuff, he's gonna do it all. And while he does that, I'm gonna be modifying his little RC car for him. So we're doing like a trade-off. All right, so Albert did his wiring magic. You can see there's that red wire he added in. Some grounds I see from first glance, but I'll have to ask him exactly what he did. All right, let's see if she fires. Oh my God, Albert had it unplugged, the module, so it should work now. Oh, she almost went. All right, so it's the next morning. Albert got it all wired up. It should be turnkey at this point. We figured it out. We as in Albert. This is all Albert. Albert ran the red wire to the fuse box. Now, when I crank it, it cuts the power to the fuse box until I turn it off, then the power goes to the fuse box. So that's why it's trying to start after I shut it off, essentially. So we've ran that, Albert again, ran the red wire to the positive on the battery, and she should fire. You wanna do the honors? I guess we'll see. It should. Woo! Oh, she's mid. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Yoo-hoo! Let's go. Sounds pretty good, eh? Not bad. Woo! We're doing it. Nice. There it is. She's ripping. So guys, the Bronco is officially running. Not permanently yet. My buddy Albert needs to come back. I picked up a fuse box and he's gonna be rewiring it all for me. Buddy's a huge part of this project right now. He's clutch. So he's gonna be rewiring all that for me and then it's gonna be permanently running. So right now I just bought a bunch of different wire ends. So sockets for my wires. I have all the wiring this car needs. I just got a ton of stuff in here. So I'm gonna be replacing all the socket. I'm just gonna be doing a bunch of wiring right now. Not that exciting, guys, trust me. Just like replacing these old, terrible wires with some nice, updated new ones. A wire kit for the Bronco, $1,000 bucks. I'm trying to save that. I've spent, let's say 180, because I did buy some other wires. So yeah, we're not complaining yet. If I end up going over 1,000 with wiring, then we got a slight issue. But I don't think that'll happen. So I'm just gonna be doing that, guys. I think we're gonna end the video here. We got the Bronco running for the first time ever, which is a huge step. We're close to driving the thing, guys. We're really close to driving it now. I'm gonna be ripping some wiring. We're ordering parts, the usual, but it is getting to that point where we might take it for a rip soon. So stay tuned if you guys wanna see me drive the Bronco for the first time. Might throw a few tears down my face because that's my dream come true at that point. So thank you guys so much for watching. This Bronco build's been a wild adventure, but I'm so glad it's running. It is coming back together mint. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.